Hi, do love watch free movies, and if you are looking for free movies website, then this is the right video for you. In this video, I am going to show you 10 best website that you can watch Hollywood movies for free. Let me show you one by one. So if you do love watch classical movies, then this is the right website for you. Here you can watch free movies, and this website has loaded with many classical movies that you love. So visit popcornflix.com and watch for free. The next popular movie website is Tubi TV. Here you can watch free movies. They are also having an independent and classical movie selection, and they have organized very well. Go to the tubitv.com and watch your free TV shows and movies. Third website is obviously YouTube. Here you can watch free movies also. So in most cases, if you do subscribe to the YouTube Premium, definitely without paying any extra, you can watch movies. Let me search for a movie here. You can see we can buy or rent, but once you subscribe to the YouTube Premium, you can watch this for free. Fourth best website for free movies is definitely Voodoo Movies. Visit the voodoo.com and there you will find more than 11,000 movies has listed. So go there and find your favorite movie and watch for free. If you don't find the free movies, go there and find free section. Click on that. Now you can find movies, TV, comedy, horror and wide variety of categories has listed. So I do love classic films, so let me click on that. There you will find the list of the movies. The fifth best website for free movies is Crackle.com. The Crackle.com will bring you a independent and classical movies to show. Here you can find the independent movies and TV shows also. And if you do want to search for a particular movie, you can go and search and you can watch for free. The sixth best website is the Roku channel.roku.com. You may know that the Roku is a device for TV connections. So it also available in the streaming platform that you can watch the free movies on browser. You can go to the browse Roku products. There you can select the country, then start watching free movies here. Like if you come to the footer, there you will find Roku TV audio player and many other products. Go to the TV shows and movie search here under Roku Experience. There you will find the movie selection. The next best website for watching free movies is Hoopla Digital. So visit the hoopladigital.com. There scroll down. With a wide variety of categories, you will find the popular ebooks, audiobooks and even movies. Also you can watch these movies with the classical and independent movies for free. The eighth best website to watch movies is Canopy Stream. Friend, enter the canopy.com. There you will find free to watch movies. So scroll down. With the attractive design and banners, you can find the classical and independent Hollywood movies. So go to the browse movies and there you can browse a bunch of categories including popular, story time, TV series, funny stuff, adventure likes. Even if you do love quick flicks and comics, you can search and play here. The ninth best website to watch free movies is obviously plutotv. Here you can watch with streaming TVs. So you can find the filter options here like featured movies and entertainment. So go to the movies, there you will find the streaming TV platforms. You can select your preferred TV and you can start to watch. The last 10th best website that you can watch free movies is Yidio.com. So visit the Yidio.com. There also you will find the classical and most popular movies that you can watch. So they have well organized with trending now and popular TV and popular movies. So go visit the Yidio.com and find your best movie for free. That's guys, these are the 10 best websites that you can watch free movies on any browser. Hope this video helps you. If you do like, please like, share and comment. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.